Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Victorium. Ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met. Ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit. Hannong Tumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Myntri ke Sarkar Jilla uba pet ya ke Tnat Public Health Engineering uba Renikton El Tongkar ha ke Henryterik ubna yayong arajar arpuway ulakot Ïakren Pynbeit bat kinong elam jong ke Hima Mawphlang halor ke tungkam tungjam ya kinong song jong ke Hima Mawphlang hadin baka Tnat PHE kalasdang ban pentri ya ke Greater Water Supply Scheme jong ke Phase 3 ya ke balabu thong de ke Sarkar Jilla ban penpoi syabaro kishnong kibadan hapo ke Jilla. Hakajing Ïakren bat ka Batisi TV uba Renikton uliyatho baka Tnat PHE kala syashkor ya kajing pensngau jong ke Hima Mawphlang da ka bathungkam ya ki pajba ki badai ki nongsong snong jong ke Hima Mawphlang katkum ki kendon thungkam hadin baka Sarkar leng baka Tnat PHE kala ya soy bat ke Hima Mawphlang ban pentre ya kene ke scheme bat ban pensdang no ru ya kajing pentre ya ke state 2 jong ke pumping station.
We call purposely to solve the issues and problem that Hima Mawphlang has expressed in the process of the execution of work to complete the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3. As you all know that the department and the government as a whole, we are very serious to complete this Phase 3. And today we've called this meeting to solve one of the issues that the Hima Mawphlang has not allowed the department to execute with the work, the construction of stage 3 pumping station, the construction of stage 2 pumping station, by alleging that the department has not responded to the agreement that is there with Mawphlang, with Hima Mawphlang, with regards to the appointment of the staff in the department. So we had long meeting, 2 hours meeting with them. And from the department, we had expressed to them that we are very keen, very serious. And all these years, the department has responded to the agreement, and they have given appointment to many people of Mawphlang itself. But about the regularization, yes, those staff joined prior to 1997, it has been regularized, but after that, of course, they work on contractual basis, so it has not been regularized. So that's the concern from the Mawphlang, that they wanted that those people should be regularized, for which we are examining from the department, and we have decided in the meeting that we will see how many staff we can regularize to the maximum that we can. We will try, we'll examine the matter and we'll regularize the staff to the maximum that we can. And they expressed concern also about the process of recruitment to some of the vacancy that has been arises in the department. They are worried if the recruitment process is being conducted by the DSC, whether people of Mawphlang will get a preference, since in the agreement it has written that preference will be given to the people of Mawphlang, but they are worried if the recruitment is being conducted by DSC, whether they will get a preference. So we have told them that we'll try, we will examine the matter, whether we can conduct the recruitment from the department itself. We are examining that, and we will do all the needful. I have asked the officers in the department to initiate, to find out the ways and means to recruit from the department itself, and if required to get the approval from the other department personnel or finance will do that. And another issue about the implementation of JJM, that the people of Mawphlang, they felt that since the agreement is there that the department would provide free drinking water supply to the people of Mawphlang. So they expressed concern because according to the JJM guideline, 5% contribution need to be contributed by the village, by the beneficiaries. So they are concerning about this also, and also about the maintenance. But we have expressed to them that we have explained to them that for Mawphlang we will take, we will give them exemption. They don't need to contribute that 5% contribution that others villages has contributed, and also for the maintenance, we will be maintained by the department. So after discussing all this, of course, I'm happy to inform you that people of Mawphlang, even though they could not decide today, but they are very positive. And I really hope, looking at their face, at their expression, I could understand. And I hope that very soon they will give us the clearance to allow us to resume back to that work. So maybe I expect very short time, I don't know when, but I expect in a very short time when they will call the doorbell, they will have meeting among themselves and they may give us the clearance. I have hope, and of course in the discussion we understand each other, we understand the seriousness that we have from the department, that we are very keen, very serious to complete the scheme, and we are made to understand that Mawphlang also they understood that by doing this, they are not doing good only to the department. They are not doing good only to the people, only to the staff of PHE, but they are providing such a good service to the people of Shillong City as a whole. And by understanding this, I hope people of Mawphlang, they will be happy to know that their contribution means a lot. Their contribution means a lot to the people of Shillong. So I hope that starting from the source itself to solve the problem, the issues that is there, we hope that phase 3 will be completed as targeted by the department. We are still not backing the target to complete phase 3 by 2021 itself, and we are still working. We are still working very hard. The delay from before, I can say, as I said, there are many reasons for the delay, but this is one of the reasons for which I get when I studied, when I seek the information, where is the delay, where is the problem, where is the issues, I got the answer that this is one of the issues, besides other issues which we are solving. Of course, the progress I have not seen, but it is improving. It's improving, and I just want to tell you that most of the problem we have solved, because the problem of JJM before is due to the non-availability of pipe, of GI pipe, for which we have solved that problem, and now pipe started coming to every division. So I hope that by June, by the end of June, we may recover back to those backlog that we could not achieve in all these months.